Hi, my name is Lilith Bima, and my research project is on Immunogen AI, a multimodal deep learning tool that predicts and optimizes immune evasion in therapeutic sequences, improving immune evasion performance by over 61% for the same amount of time, structural framework, and resources. Immunotherapeutic engineering is a rapidly advancing field where researchers design therapies to treat diseases such as cancer, autoimmune disorders, and genetic conditions. However, one of the biggest challenges in designing these therapeutic proteins is immune recognition. The human immune system can sometimes recognize the therapy itself as foreign, triggering immune activation that reduces treatment's effectiveness, which results in anti-drug antibody formation, rapid therapeutic clearance, and in some cases inflammatory side effects. Current approaches rely on single-dimensional immunogenicity tools that fail to capture the complex biological interactions in therapeutic proteins. So, I came up with a set of engineering criteria to design a system that learns coordinated immune patterns across biological dimensions to guide therapeutic sequence optimization. To build this tool, I retrieved over 33.28 billion rows of biomedical data from sources such as IDB and NIH, then filtered for human-derived sequences, removed redundant fragments by sequence clustering and length filtering, and categorized the data into 6 biological feature datasets. Next, I experimented with the fascinating field known as representation learning, and through vectorization, I transformed biological features into structured numerical representations used to train 6 modality-specific encoders. I then designed a novel transformer-based architecture that uses cross-modal attention to fuse the 6 encoders into a unified latent representation for immune evasion prediction. I implemented a gradient-guided optimization strategy that identifies sensitive amino acid positions and iteratively explores mutation variants, allowing the model to select sequences with higher predicted immune evasion scores across 100 generations. Immunogen offers statistically significant improvements in immune evasion, epitope density reduction, structural preservation, RMSD and TM score, optimization efficiency, and population HLA coverage with a p-value less than 1 times 10 to the negative 5. I tested 5 different prediction and optimization tools and found that Immunogen outperformed them all. On the test dataset, Immunogen improved immune evasion scores to 0.839 with a standard deviation of 4.6%, maintaining 88% peptide HL identity and a median RMSD of just 0.48 angstrom. I ran lots of exciting simulations. For example, RNA folding simulation confirms that immunogenic optimization preserves native secondary structure and thermodynamic stability. Immunogen can make a big impact by enabling safer, longer-lasting, personalized therapies while reducing unintended side effects, which can potentially save lives. I was inspired to work on this problem because I'm really passionate about AI and want to apply my knowledge in it to a real-world medical problem. Thanks for listening.